Okay, what we're looking at is column methods, both column addition and column subtraction. So first one here, we can see we've got 3 plus 1, which is going to give us 4. So we'll go there first. 4, right. Next we get 4 plus 9, which is going to give us 13. So we put the 3 there, you have to carry the 1 over, okay? That's where your 13 goes. If you get any number greater than 10, you put the units part there and the tens part in there. So again we get 4 plus 9, again it's 13. But we've got the 1 at the bottom there, so we need to add that in. So put the 4 there, put the 1 across, okay? Now we've got 0 plus 9, but remember the 1 at the bottom is going to give us 1 and 0, which is 10,434. Okay? Column subtraction. Okay, so let's have a look at column subtraction now. We've had a look at column addition. So the first one we want to do is 5 minus 6, but we can't do that, okay? So we have to cross that out. Okay, reduce it by 1, so called borrowing, makes that 4, okay, and the 1 we borrowed comes over here as 1, okay, so it goes down by 1, and then the 1 comes across. So now we do 15 minus 6, which you can see is 9. If you look back to here, we try and do 4 minus 6, we can't do that, so we're going to have to borrow again, cross that one out. This is sort of borrowing twice now, so we ignore the 5 really, and just carry on as though the 4 were there. But you know, it's at the top, so we can't quite do that. So again we're going to reduce it by 1, okay, and the 1 that we borrowed is going to pop up there, okay. So now doing 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8, so that's what that cell is. And now we come to this one, and lo and behold we have to borrow yet again, so we're going to have to cross the 5 out, okay. It's going to come down now to 4. Okay, and we're going to put the 1 at the top. So now we've got 11 minus 8, which is 3. Okay, and finally we've got the 4 here minus the 1, 3 again. Okay, so that's your answer, 3,389. So we'll just run over that again. Okay, for the first one, we couldn't do 5 minus 6, so we borrowed the 1, made it 15 minus 6. Okay, came down to 4, we tried to do 4 minus 6, you can't do that because it's going to be negative. Okay, any number that goes negative with a column subtraction, you just don't carry on doing it that way. You have to borrow. Okay, so as soon as you get anything that's less than 0, but 0 that's fine. This was 5 and 5, you just put a 0 there. But if it's less than 0, you can't do it. So I mean, similarly, we then had to borrow again. We got the 1 there. We tried to do 1 minus 8, couldn't do that. We crossed 1 off, borrowed 1 from there, went up with 4 there, and that was that. Okay, thank you. Hope that was useful.